Ever wonder which truck engines are built to last beyond a lifetime? Whether you're hauling heavy loads or just want that peace of mind, knowing your rig can go the distance, today we're unveiling the top 10 diesel engines that stand the test of time. No fluff, just real, legendary durability. Stick around because the number one engine on this list might just surprise you. Number 10. The Ford 6.7-liter Powerstroke SUTDEV 5.8. A marvel of modern diesel engineering that represents a significant leap in technology and design from its predecessors. Introduced in 2011, this engine was Ford's first in-house, designed and built diesel engine. Marking a departure from previous collaborations with Navistar, it had key features and technology like turbocharged muscle, which allows for better throttle response and efficiency across a wider range of operating conditions. It's like giving your truck an extra caffeine boost when it needs it most. You'll find the 6.7-liter Powerstroke 5.8 rumbling under the hoods of Ford Super Duty trucks, such as the F250, F350, and even the F450. With a reputation for lasting easily 250,000 miles with regular maintenance, this engine is designed for those who view their truck like a trusty old sidekick. Of course, regular oil changes using high-quality diesel and periodic turbo inspections are key to hitting those high-mileage benchmarks. Let's move on to a powerhouse that has long been a favorite for reliability and raw power. Number 9. Chevrolet 6.6-liter Duramax 5.8. When it comes to diesel engines that combine power with reliability, the Chevrolet 6.6-liter Duramax 5.8 is hard to overlook. Introduced in the early 2000s, this engine marked a pivotal shift for Chevrolet and GMC in the competitive field of heavy-duty diesel pickup trucks. These trucks have great engine evolution. Over the years, the 6.6-liter Duramax has seen multiple iterations, with improvements in power output, efficiency, and emissions controls. The early models like the LB7 were groundbreaking, but the latest L5P version sets the bar with up to 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque. The 6.6-liter Duramax is found in a variety of heavy-duty trucks, including the Chevrolet Silverado heavy-duty and GMC Sierra heavy-duty models. These trucks have long been favored by those who need serious towing capacity and many other truck needs. With proper maintenance, these engines can easily clock over 200,000 miles. Next up, number 8. Cummins 6.7-liter turbo diesel. This engine is a go-to powerhouse for Ram trucks, earning its reputation through durability and performance. Introduced in 2007, this engine keeps evolving, setting benchmarks for both power and reliability. This engine is equipped with a Holset VGT variable geometry turbocharger. The turbo optimizes boost across a range of driving conditions, enhancing performance and throttle response. You'll find the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel in heavy-duty Ram trucks like the Ram 2500 and Ram 3500. These trucks are perfect for heavy-duty applications, suited for anything from rugged construction work to long-distance hauling. The Cummins is revered for its ability to rack up impressive mileage, often surpassing 300,000 miles with ease. It's like the steadfast friend who's always ready for the toughest jobs and the longest adventures. Number 7. Toyota 1VD FTV-V8 Diesel. This is one of the quiet, unsung heroes of heavy-duty reliability in the truck and SUV world, especially in regions where off-road toughness meets long-term durability. If you've heard stories of Toyota Land Cruisers or ICVS running past 400,000 miles, many with minimal repairs, this engine is part of the reason why. Thanks to its proven reliability, parts availability is generally excellent in markets where the 1VD-FTV was popular, and routine maintenance is straightforward. Components are designed to be accessible, which means less downtime and fewer repair surprises. Think of it as the easy-to-maintain pickup truck of engines. The 1VD-FTV was primarily used in heavy-duty Toyota Land Cruisers, Amazon trucks, and certain trucks in Australia and Southeast Asia. These vehicles are often tasked with off-road endurance, remote expeditions, or commercial work, settings demanding durability, which the one VDFTV proudly delivers. If you learned something new, so far hit that subscribe button. Seriously, it goes a long way. Number 6. The Isuzu 4 JJ1 Turbo Diesel Engine. This engine is celebrated for its robust design and reputable longevity, particularly in markets where reliability and ease of maintenance are crucial. This engine has found a fan base in both industrial and light commercial applications, as well as off-road users. The 4JJ1 features a high-pressure common rail fuel injection system, which delivers precise amounts of fuel directly into the combustion chamber. This system not only improves performance and fuel efficiency, but also reduces emissions, an impressive feat for an engine renowned for its durability. The Isuzu 4JJ1 engine can be found in a variety of vehicles, including Isuzu D-Max trucks and certain mid-size SUVs. It's also used in various commercial light-duty vehicles and even in some boats, proving its versatility and robustness. It may not boast the same high output as some other engines on our list, but its reliability and efficiency make it a valuable asset, especially in demanding environments. Number 5. The Ford 7.3-liter Powerstroke EF58. This V8 earned a legendary status among diesel engines. Produced from the mid-1990s until the early 2000s, this engine remains beloved by truck enthusiasts and industry professionals alike, generating around 250 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque. The 7.3-liter stands out not just for raw power, but for its ability to deliver that power consistently. It strikes a perfect balance, capable enough for rigorous duty yet gentle on maintenance needs. The 7.3-liter Powerstroke EF58 was prevalent in Ford's Super Duty trucks, including the F250 and F350, during its production years, from 1994 to 2003. It was particularly popular for those hauling large trailers, fifth wheels, and other demanding loads, thanks to its strong torque and reliability. It's often described as the last of the simple diesels, valued for its mechanical simplicity and reliability over newer, more complex systems. Continuing our journey through diesel history. Number 4. Duramax LB7. The Duramax LB7 engine, introduced in 2001, was a collaborative effort between General Motors and Isuzu, marking a significant advancement in diesel technology for GM's heavy-duty trucks. It quickly gained a reputation for its reliability, power, and relatively quiet operation compared to other diesel engines of its time. The LB7 Duramax is a 6.6-liter V8 diesel engine that features an aluminum cylinder head and a cast-iron block. This combination offers a sturdy yet lightweight solution, allowing for excellent durability while managing operational heat effectively. The Duramax LB7 was installed in a variety of GM's heavy-duty platforms, primarily the Chevrolet Silverado HD and GMC Sierra HD, from 2001 to 2004. These trucks were popular among heavy-duty pickup enthusiasts for their blend of power and refinement. Its construction and design choices also make it a solid candidate for modifications by enthusiasts seeking enhanced performance. Transitioning to another legendary engine, number 3, Cummins 5.9-liter turbo diesel. This legendary engine transformed the reputation of diesel trucks and set a high bar for longevity and durability. Introduced in the late 1980s and used extensively in Dodge Ram trucks up until 2007, this engine is often called the workhorse of diesel engines. This engine employs a mechanical fuel injection pump, dual piston design in earlier versions, later replaced with electronic systems. The simplicity of mechanical fuel injection means fewer electronic components that could fail, making repairs straightforward and reliable. Many owners report running their 5.9-liter Cummins engines well past the 500,000-mile mark, some even approaching or surpassing 1 million miles, often with just regular maintenance checks. Its reputation is built on meticulous engineering and enduring parts, The 5.9-liter Cummins was used exclusively in Dodge Ram trucks, notably in Ram 2500 and 3500 models, from the late 80s through 2007. Its legendary reliability made it a favorite among fleet operators, commercial users, off-road adventurers, and enthusiasts who demand longevity. Number 2. Toyota 1HZ Inline 6 Diesel. A true legend in the world of rugged, long-lasting diesel power plants. It's a workhorse that has built a reputation for enduring the toughest conditions, off-road adventures, remote expeditions, and heavy-duty hauling, time and time again. Built for endurance, the 1HZ features heavy-duty components that resist wear and tear. Its simple design, no complicated turbo systems or high-pressure fuel injections, means fewer parts to fail. Many owners report their 1HZ-powered Land Cruisers surpassing 400,000 miles with minimal issues, often running for hundreds of thousands more. The 1HZ found its home mainly in Toyota Land Cruisers, especially in models like the 70 series. These vehicles are famed for their tough-as-nails reputation, conquering deserts, mountains, and jungles. Its reputation is built on decades of proven performance in some of the most extreme conditions on Earth. And, finally, at the top of our list, number 1. Cummins 6BT 5.9-liter. Arguably the most legendary diesel engine in truck history. A true icon for durability, simplicity, and longevity. Its reputation has been built over decades of heavy-duty service, and countless stories attest to engines still running strong past 1,000,000 miles. This engine employs a pre-ceramic cast iron block and a cast iron cylinder head, both engineered to withstand extreme stress and heat. Its mechanical, direct fuel injection system, using a P7100 piston-style injection pump, is renowned for offering reliable, consistent fuel delivery over hundreds of thousands of miles. Less electronics, fewer parts prone to fail, just pure, brute force engineering. The 6BT was first introduced in the late 1980s and used extensively in Dodge Ram trucks, religiously favored by fleets, off-road adventurers, and anyone demanding a dependable workhorse. It also powered military vehicles and industrial equipment, further proof of its ruggedness. The Cummins 6BT 5.9-liter isn't just an engine, it's a legend. It's been the dependable backbone of countless trucks and industrial machines, earning its spot at the top of the list, not just for its technical prowess, but for its unmatched track record of sheer longevity. Thank you for exploring these incredible diesel engines with me. Whether you're seeking legendary durability, remarkable longevity, or cutting-edge technology, each of these powerhouses has earned its place in automotive history. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on trucks and engine greatness. Drive safe and keep those engines roaring.